So this is my 2004 Toyota Corolla, also known as the genuine Ferrari with the fresh paint job. Look at that. Hell yeah. I had to put a bungee cord here because all the bolts fell out from the rattling of the horn. Man. Got all 5 of them. Hell yeah. I had to take off the whole front bumper, the whole front clip to put these things in there. But it is fucking loud. I'd show you the tank and compressor, but kind of got a load on the car right now. So this is my 10-gallon tank, air-cooled compressor. Hell yeah. Running 140 psi. I could be running 200, but this shakes my bones enough. Oh my god!